When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are. Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Challenges are gifts that force us to search for a new center of gravity. Don't fight them. Just find a new way to stand. One of the hardest things in life to learn is which bridges to cross and which bridges to burn. Surround yourself only with people who are going to take you higher. True forgiveness is when you can say, "Thank you for that experience." You don't become what you want, you become what you believe. Everyone wants to ride with you in the limo, but what you want is someone who will take the bus with you when the limo breaks down. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. The key to realizing a dream is to focus not on success but on significance, and then even the small steps and little victories along your path will take on greater meaning. Forgiveness is giving up the hope that the past could have been any different. We have to make the choice, every single day, to exemplify the truth, the respect, and the grace that we wish for this world. Our goal must be decency and respect for every human we encounter. The answers keep unfolding as your life expands, if you're willing to see things for what they are, and what they can be. I refuse to be quiet in the face of injustice. Passion is the log that keeps the fire of purpose blazing. Look inward, the loving begins with you. Alone time is when I distance myself from the voices of the world so I can hear my own. Good riddance to decisions that don't support self-worth. The best gift anyone can give, I believe, is the gift of sharing themselves. When you are open to receiving them, the possibilities just keep on coming. The big secret in life is that there is no big secret. Whatever your goal, you can get there if you're willing to work. The reason I've been able to be so financially successful is my focus has never, ever for 1 minute been money. You know you are on the road to success if you would do your job and not be paid for it. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. With every experience, you alone are painting your own canvas, thought by thought, choice by choice. Every time you state what you want or believe, you're the first to hear it. It's a message to both you and others about what you think is possible. Don't put a ceiling on yourself.